Hey there, it's Michael here from Happy English, and welcome to another Saturday Short, your quick tip for speaking English naturally. Today, let's talk about nostalgia. You know, you hear an old song on the radio and it brings you back to your high school days. Or you find some old photos in your phone from 15 years ago, and suddenly you are transported back to that time. Well, in English, when you experience something that gives you nostalgic or sentimental feelings, you can say it's a blast from the past. Like hearing those old songs from my high school days was a blast from the past. Or like, I hung out with my college buddies last weekend. It was such a blast from the past. You watched Rocky last night? Wow! What a blast from the past. How about you? Recently, have you experienced anything that was a blast from the past? A blast from the past. This is a natural phrase you can use in your English conversations, and it'll help you sound more fluent. And then, just like that, you're speaking like a native. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next Saturday for another Saturday Short.